Hi everyone, welcome back to ORO POS. What is a combo order and how to add one? A combo order is a predefined set of menu items that are sold together as a package deal. For example, a burger combo might include burger, fries, and a drink. Combo orders are popular because they simplify the ordering process and make customers happy with discounted prices. To add one, go to the back office. Navigate to Explorers and select Menu Items. In the bottom left, click New Combo. Here, you'll name your combo, set its price, and select the items it includes. For this example, I'll create a combo called Beef Soft Meal. And assign it to the subs group, since it's the sub sandwich. Next, go to Combo Items to add the specific items included in the meal. First, add the main item, in this case, the roasted beef sub, by clicking Create New button. Then, go to the combo groups to define the accompanying items. For this example, I'll add two groups, a drink and a dessert. Click Create New. Name the group. For the drink, select the beverage group so customers can pick their drink of choice. And repeat the process for desserts. To make the combo visually appealing, go to the button style and click the three dots icon to add an image and select a color. When everything looks good, click Save and refresh the cache. Now let's make the combo visible on the menu. Go back to Explorers and open the Menu Page Designer. Choose where you want this combo to appear, for example, the fast food section. Select an available space, search for your combo by name, and add it. And that's it! Exit the back office and head to the main screen to see your combo in action. When you select the combo during the order, it'll guide you through the customization. Pick cheese and toppings for the sub, hit Group Done, then choose the drink and dessert. And you're all set! That's how easy it is to create a combo for your customers in ORO POS. Thanks for watching and we'll see you in the next video.